Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming back. I'm Dominic.
Hi, I'm Saori.
We're making a German course for you based on the supported communication approach, and we want to teach you and we want to show you that learning a language is actually quite easy if you have the right approach. So, without further ado, we're going to start with our lesson. If you want to support us a little bit, subscribe, share, like, tell friends about it. We would be very happy if we had as many people who are interested in learning German as possible. Good. I'll quickly explain the routine, how the supported communication approach works. There are 6 steps. First step is we read the text, check out the vocabulary, make sure you understand everything. Second step is we read the text together. Third step is I ask questions about the text and you try to answer them with the help of the text. So I put the text over our heads so you can read it. Focus on the relationship between question and answer and your understanding. You don't need to know the information at this point. Fourth step is I'm going to read the text again. I'll read it twice. Once you can read the text, put it there. And the second time you just listen and you get some listening practice. Fifth step are questions and answers again. So I'm going to ask questions again, but this time you're not seeing the answers, so you're supposed to answer out of memory. And in the last step, I'm going to read the text again, just listen, and then you try to tell the whole text. No? Sounds easy? Is easy. Good. Okay, let's start with the first step. I'm going to read the text and we check out the vocabulary. Ich gehe in die Arbeit.
What is gehe
Gehe is go.
and Arbeit?
Arbeit is work. Okay.
Okay.
So I go to work. No, literally in the work. Ich trage eine Jeans.
What is trage
Trage is wear. Okay.
eine?
Eine is a. Okay.
Okay.
So I wear a jeans. No. Trousers, jeans, etc. are singular in German, plural like in English. So it's I wear a jeans, and not I wear a pair of jeans. No, I wear a pair of trousers. Die Jeans ist schwarz.
What is schwarz?
Schwarz.
Schwarz?
Yeah, that's one of the favorite words of all of my students. Schwarz, it's black.
Okay.
Okay, so the jeans is black, or the jeans are black. Ich trage ein Hemd.
What is Hemd?
Hemd, shirt.
Okay.
I wear a shirt. Das Hemd ist weiß.
What is weiß?
Weiß is white.
Okay.
Okay. So the shirt is white. Okay, let's read it again. Second step. Ich gehe in die Arbeit. Ich trage eine Jeans. Die Jeans ist schwarz. Ich trage ein Hemd. Das Hemd ist weiß. Good. Third step, questions and answers. Wohin gehe ich? Where do I go to?
Ich gehe in die Arbeit.
Okay. Was trage ich? What do I wear?
Ich trage eine Jeans.
Okay. Welche Farbe ist die Jeans? What color is the jeans?
Die Jeans ist schwarz.
The jeans is schwarz.
Schwarz.
Okay. Now just make the sh sound, sh, and then schwarz. Schwarz.
Okay.
Good. Was trage ich auch? What do I wear too?
Ich trage ein Hemd.
Okay. Welche Farbe ist das Hemd? What color is the shirt?
Das Hemd ist weiß.
Okay, very good. So, for step, we're going to read again, once with the text, once without seeing the text. So, ich gehe in die Arbeit. Ich trage eine Jeans. Die Jeans ist schwarz. Ich trage ein Hemd. Das Hemd ist weiß. Okay, so look there.
Okay.
Ich gehe in die Arbeit. Ich trage eine Jeans. Die Jeans ist schwarz. Ich trage ein Hemd. Das Hemd ist weiß. Good. Fifth step, questions and answers without seeing a text. So, wohin gehe ich? Where do I go?
Ich gehe in die Arbeit.
Good. Was trage ich? What do I wear?
Ich trage eine Jeans.
Good. Welche Farbe ist die Jeans? What color is the jeans?
Die Jeans ist schwarz.
Okay. Was trage ich auch? What do I wear too?
Ich trage ein Hemd.
Okay. Welche Farbe ist das Hemd? What color is the shirt?
Das Hemd ist weiß.
Okay, very good. So, I read it the last time. Ich gehe in die Arbeit. Ich trage eine Jeans. Die Jeans ist schwarz. Ich trage ein Hemd. Das Hemd ist weiß. Okay, so, your chance. Try to tell the text.
Okay. Ich gehe in die Arbeit. Ich trage eine Jeans. Die Jeans ist schwarz. Ich trage ein Hemd. Das Hemd ist weiß.
Good, very good, well done. So, this is it for today. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you had fun and learned a bit. Subscribe, like, share, and stay tuned for the upcoming application. We hope to see you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.